Hello and welcome to episode 4 of Lockpicking with Nick. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to try and pick this no-name Chinese trigger lock using these two staples. So if you're new to my channel, please check out the video description below to find out a little bit more about me. And let's get to picking. So this gun has been cleared, and I think we're going to use this one as the tensioning tool. We will use this one as the pick. Let's see how easy it is to open. All right, so that was opened in probably under a second, and as you can see, this lock does not keep your pistol or any gun very secure, but it keeps you legal. So thank you for watching this video. If you like what you saw and you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Have a good day.